As always, like and subscribe to the YouTube channel Grumpy Chef Dave. This is potato and basil soup. Rather simple, light soup. Okay. Chop all the vegetables roughly the same size. Paying careful attention to keeping the potatoes separate. Leave the celery, carrot and onion together. Grab 5 basil leaves, roll them up, then slice them as finely as you can. The basil leaves don't go in until the end of the cooking process. This is a little mini tutorial on crushing garlic. You can crush it in a machine. That may end up bruising it. Just be careful that the finer you cut the garlic, the swifter it cooks, so you don't want to burn it. You'll notice that I put some salt in the garlic. Okay, putting the salt in there, the salt acts as an abrasive, so it makes it easier to chop. The problem with the salt is it draws the moisture out. So again, you have to watch, because if it's drier, it burns faster. Generally, you'll add the garlic after the other vegetables, just so you don't burn it. Look how nice and smooth that is. Okay, so we've got all the ingredients there: vegetable stock, water, all the chopped up vegetables and the basil. Okay, we use about half a teaspoon of olive oil. Saute that off, so that means cook it on a high heat and get a little bit of colour in there. See how it's almost burning on the bottom? Add all the vegetable stock and water, bring it to a rapid boil and then slow it down to a simmer. We simmer the soup for about 25 minutes, okay, until the potatoes still hold their shape but are soft. Serve the soup up and then garnish it with the basil. Each portion, you get 6 portions out of this recipe. Each portion is 57 calories. Delicious, quick, easy, low calorie. Really nice. Anyway, remember to like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, comment and enjoy.